Time to finish strong with a move that looks simple, but hits everything. This is the dumbbell goblet squat variation, and it's one of the best exercises for building strong legs while locking in perfect squat form. Holding the dumbbell in front keeps your chest upright, your core engaged, and your squat clean from start to finish. Bring your feet just outside shoulder width, brace your core, and sit straight down between your hips. Go deep, deeper than you think. Feel your quads, glutes, and core working together. Now drive through your heels and stand tall, squeezing at the top. Slow on the way down, powerful on the way up. This variation isn't just about strength. It improves mobility, balance, and total body control. Lightweight, deep reps, big burn. And that's how you end leg day the right way.